We're in the boiler room, baby. So right now I got this pilot assembly. I'm not really thrilled about this particular pilot assembly, but when it's 9 o'clock at night, you really got much of a choice. I'm more of a Honeywell guy. So same thing with this, but Honeywell also changed their name to Resident Deal. It looks something like this. It's thermocoupling. On this particular boiler we're working on, it's a Laars Mighty Therm, and they have the old school thermocoupling. We're about to replace it. I showed you guys before in the previous video. They have a busted thermocoupling, so I'm gonna replace the thermocoupling. Hopefully that's all it is. Because sometimes you replace the thermocoupling and then you come to find out they also have a bad gas valve. It's a Robert Short gas valve. It's a 3/4 inch gas valve. I'm hoping that's not the case because they won't have no hot water, and that would suck. Now that it's in, this is what it looks like. Nice and snug and tight. Same thing here. All right, ready to put her in. We will be done within like, I would say another 10 minutes. Don't take long. If you guys taking half an hour to do this shit, you shouldn't be doing boiler. Alright guys, I just lit up the pilot. Got one of these barbecue lighters, lit it up here. You gotta make sure this knob is in the pilot position. Push the button and keep it about, what's about a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes. Right now I have it maybe about a minute. I like to make sure, so I'll keep it on for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Pilot is lit, pilot is on. And the reason for that is because when you press this button, you're letting the gas go out. But this also has to register with the thermocoupling. There's an established pilot there. So that's what they tell you, to leave your finger on the button, pushing it down for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, I think. And that should be more than enough. Right now the pilot is on. I'm about to put her in the on position. So right now it's on. I'm gonna put her on automatic. Here. All right, guys. We got fire, baby. Woo-wee. That's right, we got fire. That's the pilot right there. Very shortly, we're gonna have some hot water, baby. Wepa! Wepa!